Hi friends, I am Sonali and you are watching my channel Golden Days with me. Today I will show you how to make veg puff patties. I will make these multi-layered puff patties without baking and without butter. Please watch full video to know what is the tricks to make multi-layered puff patties. But before showing recipe, I will request you please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click on notification bell and please share my video with your friends and family. Now I will show you how to make this multi-layer perfect puff patties. All ingredients are ready. You can add more vegetables like peas, capsicum, but I don't have now, so I am making with few ingredients, but you can add more. Let's start. Onion, green chili, ginger, carrot, beans, coriander leaves, boiled potato, salt, sugar, whole jeera, chili powder, turmeric powder, jeera powder, chaat masala, black pepper and chili flakes. Now I will show you the procedure of aloo pur making, and kindly boil potato with salt. Now cut potato in small cubes. If you don't have any ingredients like chaat masala, like black pepper or chili flakes, just skip it. And if you have more ingredients like garlic, like garam masala, curry pata, you can add also. Now take 1 or 2 spoon oil in karai and add sugar in it. After few minutes add whole jeera and fry it well. Then add beans and other vegetables and fry everything very nicely. Now add salt and again fry it very nicely. After 5-10 minutes add ginger and green chili. Then again fry it very nicely. After 5-10 minutes add all masalas and again fry it nicely. Then add potatoes and fry everything very nicely. Then add coriander leaves. Potato pur is ready. Now I will show you how to make patties without butter. So you can use butter also, but I am making homemade butter. Take 4 spoon corn flour. Then add oil in it and mix it very nicely. You have to add 4 spoon oil in it. After mixing it, add 1 more spoon oil and mix it very nicely. When you will mix it nicely, you can see its color and texture changing. It is ready now. Now keep it in fridge. Now take maida, 1 spoon baking powder, 1 pinch salt, 3 to 4 spoon oil and make a nice dough with help of water. After making dough, apply some oil and cover it at least for half an hour. After half an hour or 1 hour, make ball from dough. Now we have to make round shape chapati from it with help of bell and fast tricks. Don't use oil here. Use dry maida during making this chapati or roti. Make all chapati or roti one after another and keep it in a bowl. Then I will show you what to do. Second tricks. Keep one chapati on platform. Then apply homemade butter, or if you have butter you can apply that also. But I am applying homemade butter very nicely. Then place another roti on it. Then do same method. Place all chapatis one after another and each time apply this butter kind of things very nicely. After adding all chapati one after another, we have to roll it like this way. This one is third tricks. Roll it again and again and pull little bit in both the side. Now cut it in small pieces. It will be like that. Fourth tricks. Make it little bit round in shape and press it with your thumb. Just follow me whatever I am doing. Now roll it and again don't use oil here. Now cut all the sides to make it square in shape. Now take potato pur and seal patties with help of water. We have to seal it very nicely, otherwise during frying it will be open. So check it again and again. I am showing another one, that how you will make puff patties. Apply water all the sides and seal all ends. Check again and again that it is properly sealed or not. Now deep fry it in low flame. Yes, you have to deep fry it in low flame and you have to very careful this time. It is almost ready. You can see it's multi-layer. Wow! Look at this one. It's beautiful, right? If you follow my tricks, then you can also make this multi-layer puff patties. It's multi-layered, it's crunchy, but it's soft. Perfect puff patties. You can make it easily at home without baking, without butter. So don't need to buy outside restaurants puff patties. Make it at home. It's very easy. Now I will show how it is cooked from inside. Let's see. It's looking mouth-watering, right? It is layered from inside also. So make it at home. I think you like this recipe very much. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Share with your friends and family. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye. See you soon.